Relax poolside or in the spa with dolphins swimming by while enjoying the extraordinary sunsets, or enjoy fishing off the dock from this beautifully updated Gulf access home. Upon entering through the glass double-door entry, you are welcomed into what feels like model home. The great room and dining area offers soaring ceilings, new crown and base molding with views to the pool and lanai. Beautifully upgraded kitchen offering 42 wood cabinets, new slate stainless steel appliance package, and granite counters. Rest peacefully in your master suite with new French doors to the lanai and updated master bath. Spend time in your newly updated pool and rock formation oversized spa with waterfall to the pool that has been newly rescreened and includes a new pool heater. A quick boat ride to the river. This home offers a 4,500 pounds and 12,000 boat lift surrounded by composite dock, captain's walk and tiki hut. Offering over $60,000 in additional gorgeous upgrades to include new impact windows, doors and electric hurricane shutters, plank tile, plantation shutters, beautifully painted inside and out, new ceiling fans, master bedroom carpet, and new steps to the dock. Extra storage galore in the garage.